Hello friends, welcome again. So today we will discuss the status bar. That means the task is completed or not. So before going to code, let me show you. So you can see that here in the status we have right now it's just mark completed. It's mentioned as a mark completed. But after clicking on it will get changed. So how it is possible? So to check or to do this you have to go to the code. So let me take you to the codes. Now, let's go first to the to-do underscore script.js. That means to the Ajax. Okay, let me close this one. And also let me close this. Okay, so the moment you will click on the mark completed, that means the status part, what will happen? It will again take the ID like the same we discussed about the edit and delete. It will take the id and also the csrf token will generate. Okay, and you can see that we have mentioned here dot that means the class. Okay, and this is coming from here. That means you can see that I have mentioned this one for over here. That means task completed. Okay, sorry, here complete hyphen btn. This is my custom class that I have created to use over here, and that's why I'm using with the help of dot. Okay, and this part is already clear to you. And now this will, okay, let me close this one. So this will come in picture later. Okay, but right now let me discuss the ajax part as well. So in the ajax what will happen, for it will take url post method and post. So in the url it will directly go to check the url third by. So you can see that here I have mentioned the complete, and again it will we this is a query param that I am going to pass over here. This is a param. Okay. Okay, no, don't do anything. Okay, so in the same way, for like edit, delete, complete will be same, and this will go to the view.py from here, which is toggle complete. So let me go to the view.py, and before going to the view.py, let me show you the template as well. So here you can see that I have mentioned a very interesting. This line is very interesting. Let me. Word wrap, use a word wrap. Okay, this is very interesting part that I want to show you. And this is what, so we are going to actually check. You can see, okay, before this is very this will be complicated if I not explain this well. So let me go to the Ajax part again. And here you can see that in the data I'm just passing CSR token like the first, and success part is same and error part is same for the delete as for the delete as well. Okay, so now let me go to the, and okay, before that let me show you the visual pie also, so you will be understand. You can see there is nothing different, such difference like delete. You can see that here again we are getting the id from the model task, and we will get it will get stored in the task. And now I'm checking the task dot com. That means the task is completed or not. So if it will be true, then it can be clicked and the work it will work properly. But if it is not true, then it will not save. But right now, whenever you will click, so that means you want to click on the task. When you clicking on the task, that means you have completed a task. So it will true, and now you can save the save your data or save your raw data that yes you have completed task. So after that again we want a updated list. So this will again, this is the same thing that will repeat. Okay, so let me go to the template. Okay, here, suppose when I will click on the mark complete, what will happen? You can see that this is black. And why this is black? Because we have mentioned in the task underscore HTML. That's why it is coming in black color. So let me click on this button first. So when the time I will click, it will, the color will get changed, and also the text will change. Okay, let me click on this. So you can see it's asking me a message. It's giving me a message that you are going to mark as completed, and this is coming from here. you can see in the Ajax part, I mentioned that you are going to mark as completed, so this will going to confirm you, and here that's why you are getting this message. And when the time you will click on this OK button, the color will get changed. So you can see the text is also changed, the color is also changed. And now when you will again, suppose you again want to click on this button, what will happen? So let me click this. So what message you are getting? You have already completed this task, and this is because we have mentioned over here. Let me show you this one. That's why you are getting the same, you are getting the message that you have already completed. Initially you were getting the message you are going to mark as completed, but right now you are getting message that you have already completed this task, and this is because we have mentioned over here. Okay, so this was about this one, but let me now go to the task_HTML. So here you can see that we have mentioned the class, which is complete hyphen btn, and now we are going to perform the interpolation, or sorry, not interpolation, we are going to perform if as condition. That means if task completed, then what will happen? That means the task dot completed, so sorry, then what will happen? Then btn success, that means it will be black, sorry, it will be green, coloring green. Okay, uh, but if that means else, it's the button, sorry, else what will happen? Else the button outline will be dark. Let me show you again that you can see that when I'm going on this, it's coming the black, the color is black. This is because I have mentioned over here that if it is not completed, then it will be black, that means dark. And if okay, so it's going to end over here. And now in the in whatever you what you are seeing in the browser or in the template, this is because this one, that means this complete part. That's why you are seeing all this thing. uh, that means the task, when the task oh, initially let me tell you, the we are getting that id with the help of data hyphen id. Okay. And now we are again performing if as condition. So this is, you know that this is a ginger template text, so we are going to take that yes, if task dot completed, then you will be able to see completed as a text over there. But if it is not complete, then you will get the text as mark completed. Let me show you again. So you can see, when the moment you have completed the task, you have click on this and then now it is completed. But when you didn't complete the task, it will show you the mark complete. That means after completing your task, you can mark this one. So this is all about this CRUD operation of task. I mean for to-do list. So that means we can create, update, delete, and also we can check the status that yes, we have completed this task or not. So I hope this is clear. If there is any doubt, then you can comment me and I will resolve your doubts. Okay. Thank you very much. Stay happy and healthy and keep practice.